Nontoneka kokpoti newe kundeva nyompura nkatiro nyonyamba nikushabonkwate ise kokundi nyowanyamba. I think I have Senika. So I told Lina, she said you might need Penina. I think I love Penina. But she told her friends that she has a nice sugar daddy who gives her plenty pepper to stay away from boys like me, Bambi. Penina, Penina, Marty, you are my medicine.
It's Ankole Media. I think this, I must obey the sparks and one savage on it. Says, this is Western Uganda's biggest YouTube family. 70K thanks to that family. And of course today, nabaretiraho nobata zirengo generational promoter, have a generational artist. Ninga show mu kumanya, ninga show mu kuhura nkambe mutakarebere. Umwami Agaba Banjo is here. So, Agaba Banjo takwachira Ankole Media. So, wait, abantu batandikire. Antabinje bakumanyira.
By the way, funny enough, the first Obambweno, Mamazina Ninye Agaba Banjo, and I'm a singer, songwriter, producer, and performing artist.
Abantu bazohereza mukakishongo kako bakumanya ndinzire myezi munana
Nontoneka kokpoti newe kundeva nyompura nkatiro nyonyamba nikushabonkwate ise kokundi nyowanyamba. That is called Nyamba. Stas and DJ and Red.
So Stas, by the way, isn't just Stas and DJ na Red? Still Stas and DJ and Red featuring songs. Like how do they come in? Abantu bayibuza kastakura sound zabo. Like how does a DJ feature in a song?
So usually it's in church the background work behind the scenes so hati nkecheche shongoro Stas and DJ na approaching the producer utu akozesa kari instrumental so bamshashura ya kore ngoma then nyoba approaching ganyo bambuza no basakora nitwe ngoma neji so nyonjhura ngamba I can work with this then tugumza mo misho so nubabari abamwemba be executive producers of music to konka nari nka investor mbwe. He makes everything happen.
So then who is Agaba Banjo? Agaba Banjo no, like how would you about your biography, just a bit about yourself.
My biography, born and raised for partially, nanga the half of my life bakanzare Entebbe, then kurayo kumaranka P7, then twafurika tuja kuno Mbara, so Mbara na shomera kuno.
Which were the schools?
Kaza P7 in Kaza Hombara Junior, then high school na Zambara High School,
Chapa.
Then Kna Mazina Nazana +2, then Kna Jide +2 had senior 5 Naza Naria SS Boyogere, then Kna Mazide senior 6 Naza Zambia Hillside, then Vaki Yabaho, then na Sharamuntu what niza Kurachi because Kna Mazide no mahati no inoko results zashobora
no way forward
hati no zakora so nkanyende kintu kiri passion based ekintu ekindo kureba already ni nkunda nyine some understanding so it was either going to be a chef or music so
like cooking
kani nkunda kuteka mnonga so options nkanta kumanya ba chef bingi aba very well accomplished no basa kufuna $500 for a gig or more so na chibaza mnareba maybe it's not possible konka nawe no butamanya mnonga because I've come to learn to kuba chef what the best that I can be no basa ku aninga kuchira beshongozi and other what and other professions.
Talk about at the same time, can't you?
You can't because change depending what you're trying to achieve. Araruga mano basa kuba nono maku kumanya trades nyingi konkotari master of any.
And that's how you ended up in music. So which year was that? When what?
Emyaka tinka kugambira, but this must have been this was before COVID, because before COVID in wemara kushoma, because nkagenda nashoma ebinamanyira music, then lockdown kiyagwire mbati kana mazire byo kushoma natandika pursuing a now music professional.
Now to the music, of course, music almost new. The first time I heard you, just got your show in this guy, Ivan Clean.
Confession. So that one to catch NKORE 2022. 2022.
And it was a nice song, but chikiza chana chikiza. I don't know why it was such songs, because it was a good song to me. Nkatingu manya wish chaizere chikabura nanka chikabura that airplay kushanga. Then karumba chitaru munonga, but it's a good song at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's a good song,
but
but
confession a kid hit young.
A get hit, but at hit, this is like when you go in a crowd, ukashanga like everyone is crazy about the song. Ngaro kushanga audium crowd, some people are singing, some people are standing. Chimasanga the only people abakumanya about that thing like so
true.
So I don't know why, maybe nabo janguni the style of music imukora ninga shkujangu so modern.
Na necho chirumo, because nechintu who are good, the ones who are
understanding
good, the ones who are good at getting the right attention, kandi nechindi nobta over pressure no jete kaho, but this is something getting no kubaninya reminding and to be in one day. Things are going to take time, no matter how talented you are, it's going to take time, so give yourself that.
That's a good motivation. By the way, that's what other people don't know. Remember, Reggie has done for that. Has done this shit for 10 years.
Reggie is performing. I show me read to but Reggie. So, hat in their hand, we're in the same business, competing. So,
what do you think of his music? Did you?
Nice. I didn't go, but you can believe it at YouTube.
But what do you make of his? What do you make of his
concert? His concert. His concert was a big signature to the Western culture. So, nyenda abantu appreciating kandi bamanye nitu tulyontwija kukora as big and even bigger things. So just nechintu cho mube used into abanyankole bariomba za kutandika kukora ebintu byakabi, then mu supporting, because a Reggie cha kozire chibe kitarabe without that support.
Okay. So now to say how like obire bwa maromo industry, like how many songs do you have so far?
So far Hatebing to my name Agaba Banjo, ebiri on my sites, YouTube and everything, but whole 24 songs. So now those are audios. Then videos or visualizers, I think I have about 15. Think azibazile kokazombi ni teka yomuno. So ndio ni making a show and all my songs are visualizers. So new releasing plan yanje, because I started releasing music last year Agaba Banjo, twine hate chibakweta za EPs and albums and LPs.
That's nice.
So usually, because ni so anything that's below that, it's an EP. So no take yo, then build an audience, build a catalog, build at catalog nebyabiri ebyeshongole ebyawe mbwene. So na Reggie in a catalog na Omega in a catalog zabo. So word musia not in a catalog. That's why omuntu naza kubuza bwenchi otakushoza single. So single nene yamba, but as a new artist
like for those supporting forces. Now talking about supporting forces, like which one artist would you like to work with? More Western Uganda, because this for us we are more Western Ugandan focused.
Hano Western Uganda. Untaka kozile nawe.
Like who would you love? Like you can mention them, like who would you love?
Manyato inokubanzoka manyabi nakozile nawe. Nakozile na Amber Haka Muchiga. Amber Haka Muchiga, Ivan Clean, Aremwachi Bowman. So those guys are very talented. So
by the way, Bowman Alemachi, this is something by the way, I forget. Bowman Alemachi, weren't you guys at one time, were you a duo or you were?
Tuliyo mu Shwento is it's erinka band erinka mbwenu.
But now everyone is driving himself. So.
Everyone has a solo career going konkana na Shwento ntujikora.
Okay. So now, like, who would you love to work with?
Hata owunyi neherisho owuntaka kozile nawe, to be honest, ni same Aremwachi Bowman twakozile hamwe mu Shwento konkati tukakozile hamwe nka Agaba Banjo, and
that is what you have in the pipeline. Now tatureba habo kwetenga kugira ngo if so and so accepts to work with me, I would be grateful. For example, would you love to work with T-Power, maybe Omega, maybe Reggie?
Yes, I would love to work with Omega to 5. I've heard NKORE, I've heard their music and it's really good. Na T-Power I've heard, even Reggie I've heard. So actually Reggie was supposed to be on the Nyamba song.
Hey, sure.
Yes, because
so
I approached him. I think he's like a busy man or something.
And of course, Quarter Boy Reggie, you have to be patient. That's what you have to know.
So yeah, Konka, I just went ahead because not Korachi. You have things moving also in our lives.
So ladies and gentlemen, that is Agaba Banjo, Gunwa Agaba Banjo, Nyamba, Confession. By the way, you have a new song, by the way?
Yes, the latest song is with instrumental by Cheta Melissa, instrumental featuring me.
Is the video out yet?
The video should be out in a day from now. Then Nyechindoni pushing right now on the Penina, featuring Baby Dosh. So stream. Yeah. Ka Penina. I think I have Senika. So what's all in her? She said you might need Penina. I think I love Penina. But she told her friends that she has a nice sugar daddy who gives her plenty pepper to stay away from boys like me, Bambi. Penina, Penina, Marty, you are my medicine.
Yeah, that is Agaba Banjo. That's what you have to. By the way, I'm so like I like the way you guys are, the uniformity you guys you are the Machi Bowman. I don't know about you come wingy instrumental that I don't know why they have not been given much attention yet. It's a matter of time, but you guys are so uniform because most of you, your songs are so disorganized. Rahanuya na rapping up before you know it. Like you guys, I like you guys the way you do your thing. Now to your fans, abakwenda music yawe bagishange.
Music yanje. Nyona kore Shongoro, the first places they took chiteka na YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, za Boom Play.
Video mazina guy.
Agaba Banjo. So just looking at Agaba Banjo for an option in what would out of Tiro. So there's no way you can miss us.
So your last words to the people. Your fans.
My last word to the people, Mutra said, the street say we need serious investment. Can't teach you have to understand the background, because in NKORE research you have to understand the background of market sales thrive engine. I think Nigeria zanka here, Naneza Rwanda.
By the Rwanda is taking over just now.
It's the investment those people put. I don't know ba don jazeba hi. Bakabateka msente nyingi kuza London, bakakola those networks, bakakora yo, they've performed everywhere. So by the time Donjas na Shara Munta take msento mbano, these ones who are beating things and making change. Nine experience. So nani itwe nito bari akore je change bona barukwenda kureba. So nobody we not to take msente nitwe fly out go do these things na government, because na Nigerian government nebko nitwe ba to take msente tugende tubyegete gukore twagarka hano tukore ibintu biri.
And so now to say like, do you have a management? Speaking about investing in your
management tinyina management hati mostly the things that you took kora ni
you just work as a team.
You wake up work, you korecha within the rest, but teammates none of Shanga on the way.
So are you open to any management? If there is any person out there or willing kujirangu maybe investing aka center como Agaba Banjo, are you fine with that?
Yeah, most definitely. Because ati nyechinko manya kore chinku ekinkwekakasa n'ebyo mu studio na n'ebya music. So promotion yitaji marketing yitaji finances.
That's now atejo niyo nankani yo side yo kwetenga saka cha talent chenke cha wire echa buri kimwe cyona
so biri ebindi nibija byejwe kam.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, ogwenwe Agaba Banjo, thanks for passing by the way bari kurabaha ukakura abantu bitu, and until next time okusanugundo murundi n'abantu ba Sparks n'abanyine Savage camera, you get to see us when you see you.